Please state your name and the role that you do for Pinocchio so that the press will also get to know you. You have that cast list with you, diba? Yung hard copy. Okay.
Can we start now, Tita?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Nasser.
good afternoon. My name is Nasser D. Salcedo. I'm playing the coachman. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ben Espina. I am playing Antonio.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sweet Buchanan, and I'm playing for the third, fourth generation. I'm being a blue fairy.
Hello, my name is Irma Tito, and I am playing the role as Pinocchio. Good afternoon, everyone. Ako po si Sofia Gabriel D. Magno, and my role is Candor. Hi po, my name is Nicolas, and I play the role of Chino.
Hi, I'm Sheila Gamo, and I'm playing the role of Angelina.
Hi, my name is Dusty Suarez, and I'm understudy for both Geppetto and Coachman.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Lloyd Pilapin, and Sam.
Hello, Paul Russell David is my name, and I play as the pizza maker.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Vico Bonoan. I play the cat.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Jay Langanan, and I will be playing the fox.
Hello, my name is Paulo Esteva. I'll be playing Vilger as a balloon seller and the cat.
Hello, I'm Kimball Di Pedrosa, and I'm Enzo.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Lieutenant Ardarelay Hansen.
Hello po everyone, I'm Joey Sevilla and I play the music grinder and understudy for Blue Fairy.
Hi everyone, I'm Erica Salas and I'm playing the role of the Blue Fairy as well.
Okay, we have our two.
Hi, good afternoon. Leo Mendiola from OOLI Utah Beach. So, curious lang ako since other productions are really close to our venue, what you choose Ayala Dolphins and it's here in Activity Center. So maybe you can walk us through on how it will happen and how you will transform the space.
Okay, long story. Sabihin ko ba ito? But it's just so happened that also that Ayala was looking for a theater company. But we used to do, culminating. And then all of a sudden they said that we need to show. Okay, I'll try. So, one thing also I like is, for me, siguro naman nakasunod dyan sa explanation sa write-up namin, sa press release, that for me, I believe that the theater is not only in the... Now, ngayon na lang naman yan na nagkaroon ng proof with this backlights or something. But theater before, if you go back to Shakespeare or something, totoo lang, yun yung original theater. Hindi lang yung house and all. A theater, as long as there's lights, actors, and there's a crowd community and actors performing, for me that is theater. And I'm so happy that that is, hindi naman sa making myself you're just defending yourself for that. No, it's not. Actually, I'm very happy. Gusto ko rin, of course, first of all, but since we have traffic and so people can go so far, if you ask also from the States, also they also have a small community that put up theater. And yes, this Ayala given me a very so much discount and blessing also to have communicate with them about the theater and the improvement theater. And yeah, that happened.
I would like to add to that also. I think it's bringing theater closer to the people, to the common people actually in the mall. So they'll have time, and then it will also a good come on for the customers in the mall. Yeah.
Yung sa enclosure natin during the show, I think naman
This is an example. example.
This is an example
We
of
knows
it.
it actually.
Yeah.
Actually, those people who just say, Pasha Pala naman yan, they're not really going to watch before. If they want to watch comfy, and that's the time they're going to buy tickets and make it proper thing. But this, plan talaga to, it is just na-visualize with this to put up the curtain para magkaroon na ng privacy.
And I think we're gonna put out panels of art,
Yeah.
Italian sceneries around to give
Kaya
everybody.
dito, hanggang dun sa dulo. Kasi the seating capacity is only 300 and then ano siya. And then this is also close. So that's what we're going to do.
And then the second question is, maybe you can share the creative process on how you come up staging Pinocchio and not other materials for the
Why Pinocchio? Oh, it's another story. I did Pinocchio 1996 at Repertory Philippines. I did 3 times as the Blue Fairy. And then among the many shows of repertory, which is I think because this was the first directorial with Tita Baby before I got a very more memorable experience to me. And why not to do it kasi alam ko rin kasi yung make sure very well. And it's also, the music itself is so nice. If you're going to watch it, if the time you watch it, you will see that it's, sorry but it's more beautiful than the Disney Pinocchio. And there's a lot. Ito yan yung isang pinaka mabentang Pinocchio rather than the Disney. And, mahal ang Disney.
Thank you po.
Yes, Omar.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Omar. Since you mentioned that bringing theater nearer to the communities, so I live nearby. So just
Saan po kayo?
sa Kaintala. So I'm also curious, are there any cast members who or creative members who are
Creative?
cast and creative people na they live around
Especially me, Philippines East. Ang Tia, I think it lives in, ito, mas malayo to. Mono. And, what's this? Sino yung taga Marikina? Dusty lives in Marikina. Kasi di ba Marikina, Pasig, Cainta, yan yung mga neighborhood. And Antipolo siya.
At least pagka bumaha sa Kainta,
dito lang.
oo, diretso mo lang dito.
And it's very accessible kasi meron na tayong train.
Yes.
Accessible.
Ayun. That's nice to know. Thank you.
Yes. Actually, matagal ko na po pinangarap na magkaroon ng theater group here sa we call it East Side Performing Arts. Maraming gusto.
Yes, next time.
Hi, congratulations. I just want to hear from our lead Pinocchio. Can you tell us about, is this your first time performing and how are you feeling like being the lead character of this amazing show?
I am feeling happy as the lead character of Pinocchio, and also that it's my first time doing it. And Teachers Week invited me. Thanks to her for teaching me how to be really be a good
Boy.
actor and singer and dancer.
Hello, how old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
7 years old. Who is your idol? Why did you become a stage actor? Okay.
Hindi niyo po narinig sabi niya, Tito Ben.
Okay, more questions?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Hello po, Denshel from Radar.ph. So my first question po is that theater groups face massive logistical and financial hurdles here in the Philippines. No? What are the biggest shifts you have seen in how audiences support local productions today compared to a few years ago?
Okay. Actually, as we all know, there are a lot of productions, especially this year, actually since last year. But I guess this is brought about by people are more aware that there are shows, and each production, since there are more, the competition is also stronger. So everyone is striving to be better. Okay. And which is nice because as theater actors, we support each other, we even watch each other's shows. So, yeah, we do. We watch each other's shows, and yeah, so it's really nice that people are starting to be aware. And having this in the mall, it exposes more people. Those who do not buy tickets, they see it while they're walking. What's happening there? Yeah, it's a good. Yes, it's a good eye opener. Na, uy, may ganun palang ganon. Yes. Yeah. So, theater is actually blooming in the Philippines. We all know that, and we're happy to be part and have a show to share not just in the community here, but also exposing it to people who are not yet aware of this. So people are starting to recognize theater in the Philippines.
And also, you were asking about the financial side. I know it's not easy to put up a show. It's very expensive to put up a live show, actually, such as theater. And we need all the help. Actually, this is a good avenue for startup theater like Ephesus Theatron, which is not a startup actually. It's been around for some time now. Well, granting the space, the mall for use, discount use for the theater is a good bawas dito sa budget. And of course, we need more support from the press like you to, to put it out there and be very visible sa media.
Actually, the best thing na nakatulong sa amin it's the social media. Because before we have to reach out, panahon pa ng rep naman, it's hard. You have to go personally to meet the people going to sponsor or something. And then it's just kind of easy. When you post something, especially sa ticketing, dati we have to go to ticket or what. Now it's just when you post, someone will just going to text you, private message you. And then they will ask you personally a question on what is this? And that helps me a lot to get some marketing. Kasi to be honest, I'm the producer, I'm the director, I do marketing as well. The only thing that I don't do is the admin, like si Kim na gumagawa lang ng posters, ito si Kim Pedrosa, it's my anong kamay ko po, if you see the posters and then yung mga visual, and then tutulungan din po kami to make, buti na lang may AI, kaya mas it helps us also na makita naman visualize nila what is Pinocchio or something. So that helps a lot. And then for the Agra Theater, natutuwa ako, there's a lot of them. To be honest, we're family. Kami din yun nandoon eh. And then why I become an artistic director because from the past, siyempre naging artist din ako ng repertory for how many years. And you never know, one of these kids or one of 10 years time, 20 more years time, and they may have a blessing to be an artistic director as well of their own company. So this is what you call the circle of theater and circle of films.
And we are so lucky to have Tito Toots our
the Toots is still here. Oh,
yes.
alive and kicking.
And thank you so much for my second and last question po. Sobrang sikat na or sobrang fast-paced na po ng digital media, no? Yung screen, short-form videos. What is your strategy po as performers to hold a young audience attention and prove that live stage theater offers something a screen never does?
Sige, since may hawak ng mic. Kasi, theater is theater, and you can never compare a live theater show or any live performances to anything that you can watch that is pre-produced. Diba? Mas mahirap, mas challenging ang theater very comparable sa isang show on TV na nagla-live. Pero ito nga, yung effort ng mga actors to do the writing every time na may show is something very spectacular, and that is very unique lang sa theater. And this is something na mas aware na ngayon yung lalo na yung Gen Z natin, yung mas nakababatang generation ngayon. Kasi nga with different shows and productions all around, mas naging aware sila na meron pa palang ganitong format ng performance sa arts. Hindi lang yung mga napapanood nating vertical videos, digital streaming, ganyan. And this is something that people, actually especially Filipinos, are more excited about kasi lahat tayo, we are all singers at our own right. Kaya pagka nakaka-rinig tayo ng something of a singing, inspired by singing and musical and all, na-excite pa rin tayo whether we are older or younger generations. And we are so curious na pumunta doon sa show para mapanood natin and ma-inspire tayo kasi at the end of it, one teenager or one younger person would want to aspire to become part of it sooner or later. So I think isa yun sa mga pagkakaiba ng theater sa mga online formats, online streaming natin ngayong ngayong panahon pala. Hindi lang ngayong araw.
Ayun, ano pa ba?
Ayun, actually, live theater, the experience, the exchange, the energy exchange of the audience and the performer. Iba yung tactile and even the senses, yung feast ng senses na nakukuha sa isang live performance kesa sa napapanood mo sa screen. So dito, nararamdaman mo siya, naririnig mo siya. So, ibang klase experiences actually. Iba siyang, it's a feast sa senses ng isang tao.
Thank you so much po. Congratulations.
Thank you. Okay. Wait lang, darling. Dito muna. Si Lee.
May screen din.
Hi, good afternoon po. My name is Lee. Bear with me. I have several questions. Yeah. Okay, the first one is in terms of production first. Since this is a play, I just like to know, especially Sweet, how will this production Pinocchio be different from the previous Pinocchio that you've done? Do you have any unified vision or artistic dramaturgical references to make it really different? Will you do puppetry, those things?
Thank you for asking that because I really wanted to say that this is totally different from Joy Virata to my Pinocchio. Even though I worked for 3 decades, I've been doing this, there's a lot of things already creating in my mind. Sana ganito ginawa niya, sana ganito ginawa niya. And I think I have a chance now to do what I wanted. It's just so happen lang na I don't have that kind of theater. But I think when you watch it, I don't know if you see Pinocchio rep before. And then I added and I spiced it up a bit. Like, if there's a blue fairy, I added another little more fairies. And then with me and Pipo Sifra, we updated a little the music para magmukhang hindi dragging yung music. So those are the things na tinignan ko. And then, of course, we have to use sila kasi meron silang tawag doon yung flies and marami. We don't have those, but we have so far we have a DVP, the Unomahan. And I think 100% hindi siya the same as repertory. I'm very proud of it. And I could say, bakit una theater?
Yes.
This is very challenging actually to put up a theater here in Noisy Mall. And then how you make this really, yung tawag doon content. Ang tawag doon?
Contain the
Hindi
audience. Refine.
kami before kasi it was just open eh. And then I realized, let's put up content.
Tapos, okay.
What's so special also siguro dito, mas maraming mga ensemble numbers, more dance numbers because Filipino love,
Yeah,
yung mga ganon.
I directed it, I choreographed it, and I mixed up Pipo is the musical arranger, and I'm still the musical director.
That's actually wonderful to hear kasi especially very challenging talaga po. Will you also break the wall more often?
Break the wall, yes, kailangan. Because of the kids, you have to have an interaction. That is always parang SOP na yata yun sa children's theater. Kasi pag once na hindi mo sila kinakausap, they will break everything. Lala na yung attention nila. So, for my experience, yes.
In terms of audience development, will you be tapping different schools, surrounding schools?
Yes, we have. For the first time, I'm really excited to have Paref. Paref is the one. Paref here in Antipolo.
What is Parif?
That will be October.
No, I mean the Parif. What is Parif?
Paref.
What is that?
Ito Paref.
It's performing arts. What?
Ma'am, hindi ko rin alam Sige, something like that. You don't know what Paref means?
Okay, okay.
Mami, do you know what is Parif? What?
Who is Paref Rose? So then it means Parents for Education Foundation.
Sorry, hindi ko alam ng Paref. Marketing lang talaga. Okay.
And hopefully for marketing, you'll also go around the mall. You will have that also. Or
Dito muna kami, one step at a time. It's hard also because there was a time that we were circling around Marikina, something. They had already some marketing na like, ang tawag doon, network na sila ng rep, network na sila ng stager or something. So, medyo nahirapan din ako. So, that's the part ng challenging thing na experience ko. Kasi parang feeling parang huli na ba ako kasi sila talaga parang yearly na silang may mga shows.
Don't worry, hindi po kayo nalala. More power po.
Hoping.
Yes, you need more theater groups like Thank you.
Thank you.
Next po.
Hello po. I'm Oliver from Brotherhood. Wala na naisip ko lang, it's funny because Pinocchio yearns to be human. And today, human are dependent on artificial intelligence. What do you think can a person like us, as audience, you can learn from Pinocchio as being human? To be honest, why you have to learn to be human today? What is in humanness and in humanity that you have to yearn for? From Pinocchio's story arc.
Actually, from the story, development of Pinocchio from not knowing how to be human to becoming human at the end. What does it mean to be human? Okay. We all know the story, so it's not like a spoiler, right? Pinocchio turns into a human when he learns to sacrifice himself for his father. Yes. Giving your life for another person. He says, burn me, Father, so you can get out of this way. Right? So, I think it will remind people na, oo nga, ganun pala magpakatao. Right? Because sometimes we forget that already in the digital world. Tawa-tawa, scroll-scroll, mamaya iyak kami na kayo, mamaya tawa na naman tayo. Yeah, so, this story actually is very simple. It's a fairy tale, but it reminds us, ay, oo nga, kausapin mo yung self, like kung kinakausap yung self ko, hi self, tao ka pa ba? Yeah, so it reminds you na you are not just living for yourself. Your life has meaning if you start living also for others. So it's a very simple story, but it gives a very deep meaning. Yeah, and hopefully it inspires the audience watching, even lalo na yung mga children, kasi they're the future. They're the future leaders. Sana matuto silang maging honest and true. Kasi Pinocchio teaches us about honesty.
And I think it brings back the humanity to everyone. It reminds us to be more humane and to parang give importance to our family, because at the end of the day, it's our family that gives us support, gives us the most love. So this is something that is very important to inculcate to kids nowadays, especially na yun nga, very na sila, para na-isolate na sila because of the technology. So this is a perfect show. May pakulang talaga ako. Talagang this is a perfect show for them to watch and to bring them back to the basics of life, which is love and family.
Yes, and of course, it also teaches them to be careful kasi si Pinocchio ilang beses nanalo ko, di ba? So it teaches them to be smart and to know what is true, who is true to you and who is not.
Oo, yan kasama yun sa show yung huwag ka magpapascam.
Yes, kasi kasama yan sa digital world, marami na sa scam.
The song of Pinocchio, like what she sang a while ago, and everything I do is wrong. So it's just normal to a person that you make a mistake, but the thing is, how many times you learn from that mistake? I think that one thing that I like with this the script that we've written. It's really people and even the kids will realize the lesson. Okay?
For me po, what's different about AI, as you said, and the Pinocchio is the emotions po talaga. Kasi when you watch reels online, it's like monotonous. Kaya I'd like to say to the kids that be wary of AI. It can be good and bad as well.
Can we answer your question?
Okay.
Thank you. So overall, AI can never kill you. But with humans, you can kill, you can die for somebody, but AI cannot do that for you. The AI won't die for you. From Tipangan, okay, thank you.
Hello, I'm from Tipangan Medicine and Media Channel. Kasi I want to say you have a very talented cast. That said, it was incredible, especially in my life, I'm from Katipunan kasi when magazine covers the areas of Katipunan. So moving on to I would like to recommend them. Do you have a message for the audience that might come from Katipunan?